Hey folks, it is UTB Brad, and I am back with a really quick tip for the BlackBerry KEY2. So this quick tip was discovered by none other than Bigglybobblyboo, who just got his BlackBerry KEY2, and he discovered it within a few minutes of having it. And what it has to do with is your device search. And if you were like me and you were on BlackBerry 10, you know one of the great things about BlackBerry 10 on a physical keyboard device was that you didn't have to hit that little magnifying glass. You could just start typing and pull up a search, a device search, right? We love that. I use that a lot. And it's something that I kind of gave up on my BlackBerry Android phones. Because the BlackBerry Android phones, you have a choice. You can either start typing and get that device search, or you can start typing and use your physical shortcuts, right? Your physical keyboard shortcuts, your short presses and your long presses. Well, I'm somebody that kept it set to the shortcut, so I lost the ability to just search by typing, and I would just go to the search and start typing. Bigley's one of those people that gave up his shortcuts and kept with the search. Well, with the KEY2, you don't have to give up either of those things. Okay, so your BlackBerry Android phone comes set up out of the box to use your shortcut keys. So when you hit your shortcut key, it'll pull up whatever app you've got set to use that shortcut key, right? If you want to set it up to use your search, you can just go into your launcher settings and choose typing action. And this will change what happens when you start typing. You can set it to start a search instead of to use the shortcut keys. So then when you start searching something, I'll search UTB blogs, and it does take a second for the search to pull up. It doesn't seem like it's thinking any because by the time it does pull up, it's already got the search there. And it will start searching everything in your phone that has to do with that. That's how Bigley has his phone set up. I had mine set up for the shortcut keys. But now with the KEY2, you can have your cake and you can eat it too. Because you can set it up to start searching when you hit a type, and you also have that speed key that will go in and still use those shortcuts. So you can still use your shortcuts from anywhere in the phone, and you can do your search just by typing. So there is a quick tip. Thank you, Bigglybobblyboo, for figuring that one out. If you have any tips that you discover on the BlackBerry KEY2 or the BlackBerry KEYone or any other BlackBerry current phone, let us know. Send us the tips so we can let everybody else know. And this has been UTB Brad for UTB Blogs, and we will see you next time.